Hello my friends, welcome to our second tutorial. My name is Artem Voronov, I'm lighting designer and DIALux EVO certified trainer. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make outer contour of the building in DIALux EVO. DIALux EVO works like this, so you make outer contour of the building and then you make indoor contours of the rooms. So today we're going to make outer contour. To move your camera here, you should click on middle mouse button and move your mouse to the left or to the right. You need it. And to start your contour, you should go to this folder site and then click on this button, draw new building. And let's start from this point. Okay, so this is first point. Let's make click of right button here. Okay, we started. Nice, and go to here. Move your screen with the middle mouse and go here. So here we have walls and here we have windows. We're going to make them in our next tutorials. In the end of tutorial we're going to make the whole building here. Okay, go here. If you want to undo your point, so just click on Ctrl Z. Okay, so it helps you not to redo all the contour all the time. So let's click here, and to finish our contour you should click on your first point or right click and close the polygon. So let's click on some space out of contour, and here we have our contour. If you use this button, you can show or hide your DWG file. I don't like this because my contour is a little bit more complicated here, and to add more points or to delete points, you should go to the story and building folder, click on contour, and now you see all the polygon that we just made previously. Okay, click on this button. Let's move it here or maybe a little bit here. Okay, nice. So we just finished our contour. So if you want to add some more points, you just make right click, add point. If you want to delete some points, you click here, right button of the mouse and click on delete point. Okay, so and here you have the whole contour. You can click on 3D rendering window and move through your building. All the files I'm going to put in our Telegram chat here. This is our Light and Design International community. Fortunately, from the previous tutorial we have a lot of people here, so you can join our community. So I'm going to put link below in the description of this video, and all the files to repeat all my actions here you can find in our Telegram chat. I'm going to put the links to these files in our Telegram chat, and if you have some questions, feel free to ask these questions in comments, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon not to miss our new videos, because we're going to have a lot of good light and design tutorials.